WOHOME soundbar 38-inch with built-in subwoofer Bluetooth TV soundbar 6 speakers 80 watts optical coaxial wired input remote control mount kit 2020 newest model S9910. Click the link below for more info and a special 30% discount offer. Built-in subwoofer, 6 speakers 80 watts with subwoofer, can produce powerful bass and crystal clear sound. 4 working modes include mode of TV and music and movie and default TV mode enhance the dialogue music mode produce more powerful bass movie mode bring surround sound to movies default mode let you adjust the bass and treble. 38-inch TV soundbar, easy setup remote and buttons control. Do not support the TV remote and universal remote mount kit provided mounted on the wall or placed on cabinet great for 40 or above TVs. Wired and wireless input, support optical coaxial Bluetooth and USB connection. RCA cable and optical supplied coaxial cable is not included in parcel compatible with the tablet, PCs, TVs, projector, smartphones, PS4, DVDs and other devices that support coaxial, optical, or Bluetooth. 100% satisfaction service, lifetime technical support. Contact us via Amazon message or find our service mail by user manual. We absolutely give you a satisfied solution. Please believe that we treat our all customers with sincerity. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.